You want to unlock your true potential? Did you know that the idea of genius is false? We don't call them geniuses because of the genes they were born with. We call them geniuses because of what they did with those genes. I'm Chase. I'm a success researcher. I spend my time going through mountains of courses, audiobooks, regular books, articles, you name it, and I bring the best of what I discover right here so I can change your life. This course is unlike any other course on Udemy because I consistently update it. Every single month I upload a new video that discusses a topic of success or something that can unlock your potential, something that I have discovered, and then I'll send out an email with step-by-step instructions on how to implement it, and then a challenge for you to implement it, and then we'll use the Udemy forums to have an open discussion and talk about it and shoot the obstacles so that you can actually get results. If you know that you are a person who wants to unlock your true potential, if you know you're meant for the extraordinary but you don't know how to get there, this course will help you get there. We talk about things like mastery, identity, strategy, experimenting. We talk about some of the most powerful laws in nature that you can see all around you, but you miss the message, you miss the gain, and the gold just slips away. So I challenge you, take this course. I didn't make it very long because I didn't want to waste your time. So I would ask for you, if you're willing, invest the small amount of time I'm asking, and I promise you, your life will never ever be the same. So don't think, just do. One of the things we talk about in the course, you'll have to see how it is. Don't think, just do. Subscribe to the course, and I'll see you in the first video.